and I am thrilled to present a new Jasmine Jazz by Belle Tress. This one is in honey with chai latte. I have reviewed this style recently in chrome, the color chrome, which is a gray. So I am so happy to be able to get this in a blonde. The Jasmine Jazz is kind of a chin length, curly, blunt cut bob. It's just the perfect length. What I absolutely love about this upgraded cap is that it is a temple to temple extended lace front and a center monofilament part. A very wide parting space. We can end up parting this any way we like. And it gives us lots of options for styling. You've got this big, bold kind of a wave going on here. That lends to a lot of volume, especially at the bottom of the style. You could trim in a bang or style it however you like. This is actually a heat-friendly style. So you can use your heat styling tools. Let's